Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a technique which calms your mind instantly, and it is immediately useful to cope up with stress. If you are stressed, try this technique called Yoga Nidrā. Yoga Nidrā is not a technique to make you fall asleep. So wherever you are, let's practice this Yoga Nidrā. Please keep yourself stay away from your mobile phones or any disturbances. Try to find a place where you can sit freely, because Yoga Nidrā is a long process. At least this process takes 45 to 1 hour. So if you practice this Yoga Nidrā, you will be shocked and amazed to see the result of this practice, this ancient technique to calm our mind and get relaxed. It is not a mysterious process. It has been investigated by many philosophers and psychologists. Even in physiology, it works well. You must have heard the Benson's technique. So Benson, a psychologist, has done research on Benson's relaxation process. You can find it in psychology textbook. So let's not discuss more about the theories and what and how this technique works, because it is a scientific phenomenon. And before Benson, Maharshi Patanjali has talked about it and taught us about Yoga Nidrā. In most of the schools of yoga, this Yoga Nidrā is taught, and it is getting popular day by day. So if you are stressed, worried, and in anxiety for some reason, you can practice it. So I tell you what you need to do right now. Wherever you are, find a place and sit properly. Sit relaxed. Don't be rigid. Don't droop. Sit relaxed. You can put on your hands in your lap or wherever you want. You just need to feel relaxed and not as if you are feeling suffocating, coughing, sneezing, or stretching in any part of your body. So, it must come from within. It must not be rigid. So right now, only listen to me, sitting straight, breathing normally, breathing in and out as normally as you can. Let's finish this exercise, this practice of Yoga Nidrā. Close your eyes, sitting straight, breathing normally, listening to my voice. We are going through practice of Yoga Nidrā relaxation. Sit relaxed. I'll take you through an exploration of all the parts of your body. As I name the part of your body, just feel that part is relaxed. You don't have to do anything. Just feel and imagine that part of the body and feel as if it is completely relaxed. So, feel that the thumb of your left hand wherever you have put it. The thumb of your left hand is relaxed. First finger relaxed. Second finger relaxed. Third finger relaxed. Fourth finger relaxed. All 5 fingers of your left hand relaxed. Left palm completely relaxed. Left wrist relaxed. Left lower arm up to the elbow relaxed. Left upper arm from shoulder to elbow relaxed. Left shoulder relaxed. Whole left arm is in complete relaxation. Now right hand thumb relaxed. Right hand first finger relaxed. Second finger relaxed. Third finger relaxed. Fourth finger relaxed. All 5 fingers of your right hand are relaxed. Right palm relaxed. Right wrist relaxed. Right lower arm up to the elbow is relaxed. Right elbow relaxed. Right upper arm relaxed. Right shoulder relaxed. Whole right arm is relaxed. Now left foot, big toe is relaxed. First toe of the left foot is relaxed. Second toe relaxed. Third toe relaxed. Fourth toe relaxed. All 5 toes of the left foot are relaxed. Left foot relaxed. Left ankle relaxed. Left lower leg up to the knee is relaxed. Left knee relaxed. Left thigh relaxed. Left hip relaxed. Whole left leg is relaxed. Breathing normally and normally. You are awake listening to me. Now right leg, right foot, big toe relaxed. First toe of your right foot is relaxed. Second toe relaxed. Third toe relaxed. Fourth toe relaxed. All 5 toes of the right leg, right foot relaxed. Right foot itself is relaxed. Right ankle relaxed. Right lower leg up to the right knee is relaxed. Right knee is relaxed. Right thigh relaxed. Right hip relaxed. Whole right leg is relaxed. Whole left leg relaxed. Whole right arm relaxed. Whole left arm relaxed. Waist relaxed. Breathing normally and normally. Stomach is relaxed. Chest relaxed. Collarbone Left collarbone relaxed, right collarbone relaxed, upper back relaxed, lower back relaxed. Come to the face now. Your forehead is relaxed. Right eyebrow relaxed. Left eyebrow relaxed. Right eyelid relaxed. Left eyelid relaxed. Right eyeball relaxed. Left eyeball relaxed. Right nostril relaxed. Left nostril relaxed. Whole nose is relaxed. Upper lip relaxed. Lower lip relaxed. Tongue in your mouth is relaxed. Lower jaw relaxed. Upper jaw relaxed. Right cheek relaxed. Left cheek relaxed. Right ear relaxed. Left ear relaxed. Back of your neck relaxed. Front of your neck relaxed. Whole head is relaxed. Whole upper body is relaxed. Whole lower body is in complete relaxation. Whole body is relaxed. Now breathe normally. You are listening to my voice and feeling relaxed. Your whole body is relaxed. Breathe normally. Keep breathing and listen to my voice. Now listen the sounds where you are sitting in, the sound in your room. Listen to the sounds outside your room. Focus on the sound coming from outside. Listen to the sounds coming from inside and outside the room. Feel relaxed. Far away you can hear the sounds while breathing normally. Now imagine you are walking through a garden, a beautiful garden. The blue sky above you, the plants all around you are beautiful. The flowers and the green grass beneath your feet are beautiful. And in front of you there is a staircase and a beach. In front of you is a vast ocean. Nobody is around you and you are alone. You descend the staircase, you are walking down step by step. You come down to the bottom step. You can feel the sand beneath your feet. Now breathing normally, you walk forward and sit on the beach. You can see the ocean in front of you. You can hear the sounds of the waves. There is nobody around in front or around you or behind you. Nobody, just you, all alone. Breathing normally, the skies above you, the ocean in front of you. Now you are at peace. You are at complete rest and complete peace. Feel it. Imagine while breathing normally, you are awake, listening to my voice, sitting and watching the ocean. You are at peace. Deep relaxation. Deep relaxation. Breathing normally, you slowly get up and walk towards the stairs again. You climb up the stairs back to the garden. Now you are back again in this room where you are sitting right now. You are sitting, listening to my voice, breathing normally, and feeling relaxed. Feel the place around you where you are sitting. Feel the floor or chair or bed beneath you. I will chant Om 3 times. After the 3rd time, you will slowly open your eyes and look at your lap. Don't look up 3 times, or I will chant then. You can open your eyes, you're back in the place you are sitting right now. Breathing normally and relaxed. Now open your eyes and look at your lap. Don't look up. Slowly now try to look up and rub your hands and put it on your both eyes. Try to see clearly and do it very slowly. Don't rush. Slowly, slowly. Rub your hands, put on your eyes, open your eyes and see around you. And that is Yoga Nidrā, a technique to relax your body and mind. And the breath, of course, breathing also is a technique. It must be done in Shasana, and Yoga Nidrā is a very powerful technique to get benefit in hypertension, pressure, stress, anxiety, and many other problems. So keep practicing and stay relaxed. Peace, peace, peace. Thank you.